before I'm even gonna start glazing my mugs or my tumblers, I always make sure that my pieces are free of dust. I am going to apply 3 coats of sapphire float for the inside of this tumbler. So right now I am applying the first coat. So as always, I'm going to wait for the first coat to dry. And now I am applying the second coat. This is the third coat for the inside of the mug. So the inside of the mug is just plain 3 coats of sapphire float. I usually don't layer my glazes on the inside of my mugs or my tumblers unless if they are all celadons. For the outside of this wine cup or this tumbler, I am going to start with 3 coats of obsidian. So the base is obsidian and then to be followed by indigo float and then the ancient jasper. If you don't trim the bottoms of your pieces or your mugs, please don't apply glaze. The blue color of the foot that you see in there, that is the wax resist. I am now applying the second coat of obsidian on the outside. After the second coat has been dried, I also put the third or the last coat of the obsidian. After applying 3 coats of obsidian, I am now going to put another 3 coats of indigo float on top of it. This is now the second coat of the indigo. Both the obsidian and indigo float are pretty much very stable glazes. They don't run. That is why I'm covering the whole thing with indigo float. So now I am applying the very last coat of the indigo float. So again, the base is 3 coats of obsidian and I covered it with 3 coats of indigo float. This time, I'm now going to apply 2 coats of ancient jasper on the rim, or just probably an inch from the rim. I haven't actually used ancient jasper by itself on a certain piece, so I don't know how they look like if you're going to use them alone. One thing I noticed though about this glaze is it runs. So if it's your first time using this, or if you're layering it with other glazes, I would recommend not to put it near the bottom of your piece because otherwise it might get stuck on your shelf. This is now the last coat of the ancient jasper. So I'm only using 2 coats of ancient jasper above the indigo float. So I am applying this ancient jasper an inch or probably a little bit more from the rim of the cup. But if you're going to look at the finished piece after glaze firing, the ancient jasper reach the mid section, the middle of the cup. So here is now the result after glaze firing. So these pieces were fired at cone 6 and 7 minutes hold. All right, that's it for this video. And thank you guys for watching.